Auto-dosing takes the guesswork out of laundry. Here's 4 reasons why we love this intelligent washing machine feature. Number 1, a perfect wash every time. Auto-dosing uses built-in sensors to add the perfect amount of detergent to your wash. 2, added clothes protection. A washing machine that looks after your clothes? That's right. Auto-dosing detects fabric types and how best to clean them. 3, less laundry time. Auto-dosing systems can give you dozens of washes before needing to be refilled. Less time doing laundry? Yes, please. 4, eco-friendly. By using the exact amount of detergent and water, auto-dosing never wastes a drop and only uses what's needed. Good for the environment and your power bill. Find out more about auto-dosing in-store or online.